in case you're having issues with your apps not working or taking long to load in Google TV, I'm going to show you the best way how to fix these. Now, one way is by simply restarting the box, right? And you can just simple go all the way across on the upper right, and you will see your settings there, right? You see the settings button, you click on it, and it's going to show you settings. And so you will have something like this. You want to click on all settings there, and it's going to take you over to this screen where you will find your settings on your Google TV. Now, you want to go down to where it says system, and you will click on the system, right? On the system, guys, I'm going to just zoom in because I'm using my phone to make these tutorials for you. You want to go down and you will find the option that says restart. You will click this and click on restart to restart your TV. Now, once it restarts, see if that fixes the issue when you try to open the app. Now, if this does not work, I'm going to show you another really cool tip that you can actually use to fix these issues. I'm going to go back up and you will see, let's find it. Let me go back. Yes, under the main settings, and I'm going to go back out. So once you click on the settings and go to all settings in the upper right, you will be under the settings here. And you want to scroll down and look for apps. Click on apps and you will find all your apps here. Now, how to fix this is to go down to the app that is giving you the problem, right? And you can click on the app and it's going to open up some settings here for the app or some details here. You want to go down to where it says clear cache, and you want to clear the cache. Don't clear the data, because what happens is that when you clear the data, it can also affect with signing out of your account, and you don't want to sign out necessarily so that you have to enter back your username and your password or your email and your password. Don't do this. Just simply go down and choose clear cache. And once you clear cache, you will basically do the next step, force stop the application. Go back again, force stop. And you force stop the application. And once you force stop it and clear the cache, just go up to open, or if you have it on the home page, you can always find the app and open it again. And for me, guys, this works 100% of the time when I have issues with the apps, just simply stop working or stop opening. You know, sometimes when you try to open up, for example, the TV app, in my case, I have this TV here called Vodafone TV, right? And sometimes when I want to watch a football game and the match is about to start, this app just, you open it and it just try to load. And I'm like, oh my God. And 100% of the time when I do these steps to clear the cache and force stop it and basically open it up again, it just works like a charm, very fast. So you want to try these steps if you're having issues with apps not opening or not loading or not signing in your Google TV. So try these steps. I hope it helps, and give this video a like, hit that subscribe button if you're new to my channel, and thank you guys for watching.